Hey guys, I'm super excited about today's topic. I've been in the affiliate marketing game for years now, and let me tell you, I've made my fair share of mistakes. But you know what? Those mistakes have taught me invaluable lessons. Today, I want to share with you the top affiliate marketing mistakes I've seen and made over the years, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. So, grab a notebook, get comfy, and let's get started. Alright, let's start with the basics. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone makes a purchase through your unique link. It sounds simple, right? Well, here's where many people stumble right out of the gate. Choosing the right niche is crucial, you guys. I can't stress this enough. You want to pick a niche that you're passionate about, but also one that has a good market demand. Don't just go for the niche with the highest commissions if you don't know anything about it. Trust me, your audience will see right through that. Now let's talk about content. You know, content is king in affiliate marketing. One of the biggest mistakes I see is people just slapping affiliate links everywhere without providing any real value. That's a surefire way to lose your audience's trust. Instead, focus on creating high-quality, valuable content that genuinely helps your audience. And here's something crucial. Always disclose your affiliate partnerships. It's not just about being ethical, which is super important. It's also a legal requirement in many places. Be upfront with your audience about your affiliate relationships. In my experience, transparency builds trust, and trust leads to more conversions in the long run. Okay, let's get a bit technical. One mistake that can really hurt your affiliate marketing efforts is not tracking your performance. Guys, you need to know what's working and what's not. Use tracking tools to monitor your click-through rates, conversion rates, and overall earnings. This data is gold. It helps you optimize your strategies and focus on what's actually bringing in results. Another big no-no is putting all your eggs in one basket when it comes to traffic sources. I've seen so many affiliate marketers rely solely on one traffic source like Google or Facebook. Then when that source changes its algorithm or policies, boom, their whole business takes a hit. Now let's talk about relationships. One of the biggest mistakes in affiliate marketing is not building an email list. Your email list is your direct line to your audience. It's a way to build relationships, provide value, and yes, promote affiliate products. Another relationship you need to focus on is with the products you're promoting. I can't tell you how many times I've seen affiliate marketers promote products they don't really understand or haven't even used. That's a recipe for disaster, you know? Take the time to really understand the products you're promoting. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about compliance and persistence. Make sure you're always following the terms and conditions of the affiliate programs you're part of. Each program has its own rules, and violating them can get you kicked out or even lead to legal issues. And remember what we said about disclosure? Yeah, it's that important. Always be transparent about your affiliate relationships. Alright guys, we've covered the top affiliate marketing mistakes and how to avoid them. Remember, everyone makes mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and keep pushing forward. Don't give up too soon. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but if you avoid these common pitfalls and stay persistent, you can build a successful affiliate marketing business. I'd love to hear about your experiences. Drop them in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, keep hustling.